Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the pitch for a brand new platform that claims it can solve one of the biggest headaches for online entrepreneurs, and it plans to do it all with the power of AI. Let's see what this is all about.
So let me just start by asking a question, especially for those of you in the online business world. Does this sound at all familiar? You're juggling a handful of different ventures. You're trying to keep all your teams engaged and on the same page. It can honestly feel like you're trying to conduct a really chaotic orchestra. And here's the thing, if you feel that way, you are absolutely not alone. This challenge, this feeling of being overwhelmed, it's a huge shared experience for literally millions of people who are out there trying to build something for themselves online. And to really get a sense of the scale here, just look at this number. There are over 200 million people active in network marketing and direct sales all around the world. And the pitch we're looking at today argues that pretty much every single one of them is hitting the exact same roadblocks.
You know, when you dig into the details, the problem gets even sharper. Most people are trying to manage like 3, 4, even 5 different projects all at the same time. And then you've got this constant, almost existential fear of losing your entire team, your downline, the moment you decide to switch projects. In this business, that's not just losing a few contacts. That's watching your entire business structure, the very thing that generates your income, just vanish overnight. And all of this is made 10 times harder by a serious lack of modern AI and automation tools to make it all manageable.
All right, so if that's the problem, what's the fix? Well, the pitch we're breaking down today is all centered on a single AI-powered platform that's designed to just eliminate that chaos.
And the core idea is pretty straightforward. It's called the AI Multi-Business Portal. Basically, one central hub for absolutely everything. All your projects, all your teams, all your clients, using artificial intelligence to do the heavy lifting so you can get back to focusing on what actually matters.
So who's actually behind this? The company is called Proxilate. They're a German firm based in Cologne. And in their materials, they really lean into their background. We're talking 20-plus years of experience in the exact fields you'd want: IT, automation, and marketing. They also lay out this really structured 4-step process for how they approach integrating AI. First, they define the needs, then select the right tools, run a test phase, and then finally scale and optimize. It suggests a really methodical, professional approach to how they're building their software. Okay, so that's the big picture. But how does this toolkit actually fix the problems we were just talking about? Let's get into the nitty-gritty and break down the core features they're offering.
Okay, let's take social media, for example. The way most people do it now, the traditional way, involves hours and hours of manual posting, and you often get pretty limited reach. The portal's way? Well, it uses an AI social media generator that they claim can create your posts in minutes and, get this, drive up to 85% more engagement. That's a huge claim, and this chart really drives that point home. They're quantifying that speed difference with a really simple comparison. The claim here is that their AI tool lets you post up to 5 times faster than doing it all by hand. I mean, that's a potential game changer in terms of time saved.
But look, efficiency is only one part of the story. The really interesting claim here is how they plan to solve that #1 fear for every network marketer: losing your entire team when a project fizzles out or you decide to pivot.
Their solution is something they call the Downline Builder 2.0. Essentially, it's a feature designed to make your whole team structure portable. The idea is that your organization stays intact and can follow you automatically from one business venture to the next. So in theory, this completely removes that threat of having to start from zero every single time. But this platform isn't just trying to be about pure efficiency. A really big part of the whole pitch is about creating a secure and knowledgeable environment, not just for you, but for your whole team.
A key feature they talk about is this community trust system. It's pretty clever. It uses AI to monitor projects every day and then combines that with real user feedback, like ratings and actual payout confirmations, to flag projects that might be shady. So a yellow flag might mean technical issues, red means something seriously wrong, and a black flag is basically a warning for suspected fraud. It's an added layer of security for the entire community. And to make sure people actually know how to use all this stuff, the platform is also designed to build up user expertise. It does that through 2 different training courses.
One is focused on the fundamentals of network marketing itself, and the other one is designed to give you hands-on skills to build your very own AI agents.
All right, so we've seen the tools, we've seen the training, but how do you actually make money with this thing? Let's shift gears and talk about the actual business model.
So, the platform runs on a pretty standard subscription model with 5 different tiers. It kicks off with a free plan that lets you do some basic project sharing, and it goes all the way up to an expert license for €347 a month, which, as you'd expect, comes with all the bells and whistles, including VIP support.
Now, the main way you can earn money here is through a super straightforward single-level affiliate plan. It's simple. You get a 25% recurring commission on all the subscription sales that you generate directly. That's it. No complicated structures, just a direct commission.
Now, to give you an idea of what that could actually look like in terms of income, the presentation makes a few assumptions about how people might choose their plans. They project that about half of users will go for the basic plan, 30% for Pro, and then 10% each for the team and expert tiers. So, based on those assumptions, here's one of the projections they put forward. If you have 150 active team partners signed up directly under you, your potential monthly affiliate income is right around €4,500.
And of course, to get things rolling, they're pushing a limited time priority access deal. It's a one-time payment of €497, and for that, you get a lifetime pro account, plus 6 free months of both the team and expert tiers. All told, it's a package they're valuing at over €5,000.
And this is really how they frame that cost. They want you to weigh that price tag against the potential return, and they pose this question directly to you. What's the real value of a system that could bring in 50 to 100 new leads for your business every single month, basically on autopilot?
And this really brings us to our final thought. The platform certainly paints a picture of a streamlined, automated future for online entrepreneurs. But the big question that's left hanging in the air is this: can a single piece of software, no matter how smart it is, truly simplify the deeply complex, often messy, and very human world of building an online business?